Hi, hello, good morning, children. Today we will discuss about the domestic animals, wild animals. Firstly, we have discussed about the domestic animals. All dogs are domesticated animals, not wild animals. Dogs are very friendly and very security for our home. Dogs are eat the meat and fish and vegetables and some rice and milk. Second one, rabbit. Rabbits are looks very cute. Rabbit also domesticated animal. Rabbit are eats grasses and some small plants. Childrens, do you know one fact about the rabbit? Rabbits are very intelligent. And next, cow. Cow is four-footed and one large body. Cow is very innocent animal. The most useful ingredient that a cow produces is milk. Childrens, cow ghee helps the growth and development of children's brains. Next one, cat. Cats are very friendly pets. Cat lifespan is 10 to 15 years. Cat can rotate their ears 180 degrees. Do you know, children? Cats are very good in climbing. And cats are very powerful vision or sight. Cats are very cunning. Cats are very useful to us. And next one, duck. Ducks are eat aquatic plants and small grass and insects and fish. Ducks are found everywhere in the world except the Antarctica because which is too cold for them. And next one, goat. Goat also domesticated animal. People are eat their meat. Goats are eat like plants and shrubs and grains. Do you know, children? Goats have a special stomach. Why? Because to help them break down the plant material. And seventh one, hen. People are keep chickens primarily as a source of food. People are they eat meat and eggs. Hen also domesticated animal. Hen are female chickens. Hen is brown or white or black in colors. Hen are eat food grains, seeds, vegetables or fruit and grass. Hens have wings, but they cannot high fly. And next one, sheep. Sheep also domesticated animal. The lifespan of sheep around the 10 and 12 years. Sheep are very soft. Sheep is very useful animals. Sheep are eat grass and small leaf plants. And eighth one, horse. Horse is one of the strongest domestic animal. The average lifespan is 20 to 30 years. Horse can run extremely fast for long periods of time. The average speed of horse is 88 km per hour. Second type, wild animals. Children, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And first, we will learn about the lion. It is the one of the strongest wild animal. He is known as King of the Jungle. Lions are the excellent hunters. They can run very fast and roars very loudly. Lions are very famous in the world. Lions are big eaters. And second one, cheetah. They can run very fastly. The average speed is 80 to 128 km per hour. Cheetah is very fastest wild animal. Cheetah eats meat. Cheetah belongs to all of the cat family. Cheetah lifespan is almost to 10 to 12 years. Third one, kangaroo. Kangaroo is also called the wild animal. Kangaroos can hop around quickly on two legs. Kangaroos cannot walk the backwards. Kangaroos have very powerful legs. Kangaroos can jump very high. Kangaroos lifespan is 20 years. Children, kangaroos also eats like grasses, flowers and insects. And fourth one, tiger. Tiger also wild animal. Tiger also largest amongst other wild cats. Children, tigers love to swim and play in the water. Tiger also called most powerful swimmer. Tiger lifespan is 10 to 15 years. Tigers are eats deer and pigs and buffaloes. Tigers also very strong full animal. And fifth one, pandas. It's very looks cute but is very dangerous to us. But actually pandas very cunning and intelligent animals. Pandas lifespan is around the 20 years only. And next one, giraffe. Giraffe is the one of the tallest animal in the forest. Giraffe eats the leaves. Giraffe lifespan is the overall the 26 years. Giraffe only needs to drink once every 5 days. Children, giraffes only need to 5 to 30 minutes of sleep in a 24-hour period. Giraffe is extremely tall and have excellent eyesight and the giraffes. Next one, zebras. Zebras looks black and white striped coats. Zebras lifespan is 25 years only. Zebras also eat the grass. Zebras also wild animal. And next one, fox. Fox lifespan is 2 to 5 years only. Fox have the large and triangle ears. Do you know, children? Foxes make 40 different sounds. Foxes is very smart. Thank you for watching to all and don't forget to subscribe.